Stop making these print-on-demand mistakes. They are literally killing your business. This relates to you if you're just not getting any sales or you're thinking about starting print-on-demand. Let's get straight into it. No fluff. Here are the 5 mistakes. Number 1, relying on one print-on-demand site. There are over 100 print-on-demand sites, and whilst I'm not saying you should sell on all of them, you definitely shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. Each site will have their unique audiences. Sure, there'll be some crossover, but you'll be missing out on a lot of potential customers if you just stick to one site. And as well as that, you're also leaving the fate of your entire business with one company. What if you get taken down? What if that company goes under? Try and list your products on 3 to 5 different companies. Maybe Merch by Amazon, TeePublic, eBay, Etsy, and Zazzle. You don't have to choose those, but that's just to give you some idea. Number 2, filling demand rather than creating it. There is already demand out there. People are already looking to buy specific designs. So it's simple. All you need to do is create a product and put it in front of their faces. So many sellers think up an awesome idea in their heads and think it's going to be amazing. But with no validation, you're leaving the success of your business up to chance. You can use Google Trends or the Google Keyword Planner tool or a research tool like Pretty Merch. They all have amazing insights and let you see exactly what the customers are searching for and what they're already buying. I just want to quickly say, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and help me get to 100,000 subscribers. It will mean the world to me. But for now, let's just get back onto the video. Number 3, expecting it to be easy when in reality, 90% fail. No business is easy, and if it was, everyone would be doing it, right? And print on demand is no different. It might have a lower barrier of entry to get started, and the actual tasks might be easier, but reaching a level of success you'd be happy with will be just as hard as other businesses. Don't go in thinking, ooh, print on demand is easy, I can do that. Go in understanding the difficulty of it and understanding the amount of work and effort you're going to have to put in to actually see results. Now, before we move on, I want to quickly tell you about today's sponsor, Skillshare. I've been using Skillshare for a very long time, and it's my go-to place for structured information. I love YouTube, don't get me wrong, but following a course makes things a lot easier. I'm just about to start a new course called Storytelling Through Film by Thomas Deja. It looks absolutely awesome, and I have taken so many courses: drawing, YouTube, Premiere Pro, After Effects, so many. I also host my print-on-demand course on Skillshare, which you'll be able to watch in full with a Skillshare subscription. They have a really cool offer at the moment where the first 1,000 people that sign up will get 1 month free. That's a long time, and you can take my entire course in that time. Now let's get back to the video and talk about the 4th mistake. Number 4, only focusing on t-shirts. I get it. T-shirts are the most popular product by a long shot. However, there are tons and tons of products, and some have insanely better profit margins. Where you might get $5 profit from a t-shirt, you could get $35 profit from a poster. So yes, t-shirts sell the most, but that doesn't necessarily mean they will make you the most profits. Try and mix it up. Sell a whole range of different products, from t-shirts to hoodies, mugs, joggers, posters, shower curtains, stickers. The list goes on for a while. Diversification is super important in this business. Number 5, leaving the holidays to last minute. Don't wait to prepare for the holidays. Yes, Halloween is in 3 months and Christmas is in 5 months. It doesn't matter. Start prepping early and get your designs up there first. Give yourself enough time, and this doesn't just relate to those big holidays like Halloween and Christmas. There are tons of dates throughout the year that are great for print on demand. You've got Teachers' Day on September the 5th. You've got Engineers' Day on September the 15th. These are all perfect for print on demand. Let me know if any of these mistakes resonate with you in the comments. And it doesn't just have to be print on demand. If there are mistakes in other businesses, again, let me know in the comments. Just writing it out so other people can see and hopefully help could solve some of your problems. And if you thought those mistakes were bad and were crippling your business, you've seen nothing yet. You've got to check out this next video where I go over even more crippling mistakes that could destroy your print on demand business.